great Atlantic Ocean to the wide Pacific shore, to the green and growing mountains and the south belt by the shore. She ain't so tall and handsome, but she's quite well known by all. She's a modern combination on the Wabash Cannonball. You listen to the jingle, the rumble, and the roar. She glides along the woodlands, through the hills and by the shore. Hear the mighty rush of the engine, hear the lonesome hobo call. Hear traveling through the jungles on the Wabash Cannonball. Our eastern states dandy, so the people always say. From New York to Chicago and Rock Island by the way. From the hills of Minnesota where the rippling waters fall, no changes can be taken on the Wabash Cannonball. You listen to the jingle, the rumble, and the roar. She glides along the woodlands, through the hills and by the shore. You rush to the engine, hear the lonesome hobo's call. You're traveling through the jungles on the Wabash Cannonball. Here's that big flag, may his name forever stand, and always be remembered in the course throughout the land. His earthly race is over and the curtains round him fall. We'll carry him home to victory on the Wabash Cannonball. You listen to the jingle, the rumble, and the roar. She glides along the woodlands, through the hills and by the shore. Hear the mighty rush to the engine, hear the lonesome hobo's call. You're traveling through the jungles on the Wabash Cannonball. I was headed for Tolono on the Wabash Cannonball, Norfolk and Western all the way, St. Louis down the line, Detroit somewhere behind. I thought I heard that old conductor say, no round trip ticket, you're on the final run. This cannonball is never coming back. Tomorrow she'll just be another memory and an echo down a rusty railroad track. I got off at Tolono, just below Champaign, a flag stop on the edge of yesterday. The whistle blew a song I whispered so long, waved my hand and slowly walked away. No round trip ticket, you're on the final run. This cannonball is never coming back. Tomorrow she'll just be another memory and an echo down a rusty railroad track. About tomorrow, wonder why it is, give up all the things we love the most. Goodbye, you old hog, I'll have to ride the dog till they build a subway coast to coast. No round trip ticket, you're on the final